Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about on a very important topic of CDP. We'll get 2 to 3 questions on any TET exams that may STAT, TET, CTET, KVS from this subject. And also it's an important topic on B.Ed. So it would be very helpful for them who are appearing B.Ed or preparing for CTET, KVS or HTET exams. So before going to the topic growth and development, we have to know about the stages of growth. Then we'll discuss about growth, its characteristics, development, its characteristics, types of development. So first let's discuss about stages of growth. There are 5 stages of growth. The first stage is prenatal stage, that is from conception to birth. Then the second stage is infancy stage, that is from birth to 3 years. Then the third stage is childhood stage, and it is divided into 2 sub stages, which is early childhood stage and later childhood stage. The childhood stage is in between 4 to 12 years. The early childhood stage is in between 4 to 6 years, and the later childhood stage is 7 to 12 years. Then the fourth stage is adolescent stage, that is in between 13 to 19 years, and the last stage is adulthood stage, which is 20 years onwards. So before going to the topic growth, we must know about what is growth. So after the birth of the human body, we mark a number of changes in him in course of time. That is change in height, weight and body size. Such changes are known as growth. It means when we use the term growth, we can say it is a completely physical change, and when it stops when maturity has been fully attained. So let's discuss about the characteristics of growth. Growth is a quantitative change or additive change. We can measure it like the child grows 2 feet in height in between 2 years. So it is a quantitative change. It refers to change in the particular aspects of the body or physical change. Then the third point is it is limited to certain age or specific period of life. It is not uniform in nature and growth can be measured. And it is an irreversible process. It is intrinsic in nature. It is an intrinsic development. It means hereditary development which we carry from our parents and depends on hormones. So it is irreversible in nature. Then we'll discuss about development. So what is development? As the body grows, there is a gradual progress in his movement. The child starts to swing his hands, legs. He is able to sit, walk and run, to hold and throw many things. The child starts to talk, to think, to express emotions like laughter, anger and fear. Hence all these domains are known as his development. All come to development. It is very wide and comprehensive. Development is a process which is very wide and comprehensive, and growth is one part of development. So what is development? Growth is a part of development, and development is the all qualitative and quantitative change in all domains of a child. It is accessible in nature. It can only be assessed. Growth can't be assessed, but development can assessed. It follows a pattern or series, proceeds from general to specific gradually. So it is a synchronized development is a synchronized process. It is continuous process. It is predictable in nature. It is product of heredity and environment. Then we will discuss about types of development. The first is cognitive development, the second is physical development, the third is social development. And we can divide the social development into two parts. One is emotional development and another one is social development. Then the physical development can be divided into two parts. The first one is gross motor skills and the second one is fine motor skills. So what is gross motor skills? Gross motor skills are the bigger movements of large muscles, that is in arms, legs, torso and feet, such as rolling over, doing exercise, perform yoga. These all activities are under gross motor skills. Then what is fine motor skills? The small movements of our body, shaking head, any body part, are such as picking up small objects and holding a spoon, that use the small muscles of fingers, toes, lips, tongue, which this type of all activities, this type of all movements are known as fine motor skills. So these are all about growth and development. I will come very soon with other topics of CDP. So till then, take care and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.